Hey guys, welcome to another widget tutorial. This time we'll be talking about the Fanel list widget. The Fanel list is a list type blocking widget developed by the Ultimate Post Kit plugin. This tool helps you lay a post list toward your readers along with a bunch of different information regarding those posts. Helps making your post list catch the reader's eyes quickly. Let's see how you can use this widget. First of all, drag the Fanel list widget onto your page. On the first look, you can see a grid type layout. With your posts, you can increase the columns up to 2. Use the column gap scroll bar if you like to increase the gaps between the posts. From the section query, you can increase the number of items showing on the display. There are other options like the categories where you can choose a specific categories for the displaying posts. It works like a kind of filter. On the additional section, you will get a bunch of switchers. Turning them off or on will show or hide specific items on the display, like the categories. Or the Read More button, you can turn them on or off from the switchers. Close to the bottom, you will find a field for choosing the separator. Moving on to the Style tab, you will see a bunch of options on the first section called Items. Here, you can add colors for the whole lists. You can also add border radius to bevel out the corners. Use padding to make the content more beautiful. If that's good, let's move on to the titles. Select a hover color similar to the background for the titles, but with a deeper color. Also, you can edit the typography of the text itself. You're using the Montserrat family as the text font. Lastly, you can customize the date that is showing as box on the post images. Let's pick a background color that is similar to the content background itself. Use border radius to bevel out the corner. Also change the color for the day. All good. Now your Fanel list is ready for displaying. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.